Baking soda is one of the most health beneficial and inexpensive household ingredients. Apart from being easily affordable, this common kitchen item can do wonders for your skin. Among other things, baking soda protects, heals and regenerates your skin, thus giving amazing results. Plus it destroys skin pathogens, thus reducing the risk of acne and making your skin smoother, gentle and more radiant. Just take a look at the labeling on cosmetic products that you use, and you will notice that even the best facial creams contain baking soda. But, as we all know, these beauty products can cost a lot of money. So, why spending so much money when you can get the same effect much cheaper and with using all natural ingredients? In this video, we are going to show you how to make the best homemade remedy, which will help you get rid of those dark circles under your eyes for good. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. How to make. First, you need to add a little water in a glass and some chamomile tea. Then, you should add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it all well. When you notice that the baking soda is dissolved in the mixture, you should grab a cotton swab and dip it in this mixture. Place the cotton swab underneath your eyes, right on the under eye bags. Make sure you leave it on for 15 minutes. After that, you should wash your face with warm water and apply some nourishing cream and you are good to go. You will be amazed by the results just after 1 week. Your dark circles under your eyes will be gone. We really hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.